Hey guys, this is Yash from Equitymaster, making markets simpler for you. To stay updated, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today, I'm going to talk about the Indian pharma sector and the smaller companies within the sector. You see, globally, India has the lowest manufacturing costs in the pharma sector. This ability to manufacture high quality and low price medicines presents a huge business opportunity. Over the years, domestic pharma manufacturers have experienced a significant increase in R&D spending to be competitive in the world. The COVID-19 pandemic was a blessing in disguise for pharma companies as it pushed them to expedite focus on various pharma segments. Further, pharma companies' efforts have been supplemented by the government's PLI scheme. All of this puts the top pharma companies in India in a sweet spot. However, the opportunities are not just limited to the big pharma companies. Even the smaller counterparts can make a breakthrough and get recognized. Keeping that in mind, let's look at the top pharma penny stocks in detail. Please note, these companies are filtered using the Equitymaster stock screener. Also, this video is for information purposes only. It's not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. With that disclaimer out of the way, let's get started. The first company on the list is Sudarshan Pharma Industries. The Mumbai-based company has a contract manufacturing facility for generic formulations. It's also engaged in import and export activities and supplies specialty chemicals, APIs and intermediates. The company was listed in March 2023 at Rs 70 per share against its issue price of Rs 73. At present, shares of the company trade at around Rs 80 per share. In August 2023, the company acquired 100% stake in Ratna Life Sciences through an all-cash deal worth Rs 55 million. Ratna Life Sciences specializes in oncology products. Sudarshan Pharma is addressing a key challenge India is facing for the past couple of years, dependence on China for import of key APIs. You see, India imports close to 70% of intermediates required for APIs from China. Imports from China have been increasing over the years, but Sudarshan Pharma is addressing this challenge by setting up a manufacturing unit to manufacture few of the critical APIs imported by China. The company has already received an approval under the PLI scheme for promotion of domestic manufacturing. As far as financials are concerned, in the first half of FY24, the company posted a 37% growth in its net profit even as sales declined. In the past 3 years, the company has more than doubled its revenue and profitability. Going forward, Sudarshan Pharma is also exploring opening warehouses for chemicals, APIs and recipients in the African market. Moving on to the next stock on this list, Shelter Pharma is engaged in the business of manufacturing herbal products in human pharma and veterinary space. The company came out with its IPO in August 23 to raise Rs 160 million. It was listed at Rs 41 per share and it currently trades at around Rs 62 per share. In November 2023, the company received a major order worth Rs 10 million from Taha Drugs and Chemicals. It also recently secured an order from Berlin International Medicines. The company has posted a growth of over 60% in its revenue in the past 2 years, while profit has shot multifold. Going forward, the company is confident of improving its revenue and profitability as demand for Ayurvedic medicines is going to go up gradually. The third stock on this list is Syschem India. The company manufactures APIs and bulk drugs. With the invention of new processes and molecules, the company expects to become a leading player in the Indian pharma sector. In the past 1 year, shares of the company have gained around 30%. In 2023, the company's board approved a plan for expanding one of its existing facilities for manufacturing 2 of its products. For this, it's setting up a parallel production line. Coming to its financials, the company posted muted numbers in the most recent quarter due to inflationary concerns. After repeat years of losses, the company finally turned around in FY23. Promoters of the company have consistently added shares from the open market. In the December 2023 quarter, promoters upped their stake to 54% from 53.8% in September 2023. The fourth stock on this list is Medico Remedies. The formulations manufacturing company manufactures tablets, capsules and dry syrups in both general and B-lactam categories. Its manufacturing unit is located in Palghar, Maharashtra. In the past 1 year, shares of the company have gained around 31%. Last year, the company forayed into ointment segment to pave the way into regulated markets in Europe and the US. Its new ointment production plant in Palghar has a capacity of 3 million tubes a month with a World Health Organization GMP certification. Coming to its financials, the recent quarter's subdued performance was impacted by reduced businesses in Myanmar due to political unrest. The company has gradually improved margins over the past 5 years while also reducing debt. The company won new orders from Somalia in the first half of FY24, while its Sri Lanka business is also doing pretty well. It's currently expanding capacity in tablets and caps plant. Moving on to the last stock on this list, Bafna Pharmaceuticals is engaged in the contract manufacturing for regulated markets and sale of generics in the semi-regulated markets. The company derives close to 80% of its revenue from the export market. In the past 1 year, shares of the company have fallen around 5%. As of December 2023, promoters of the company hold a 88.4% stake in the company. In the past 3 years, the company has improved its financial performance amid favorable demand prospects for the lifestyle diseases segment and due to its geographic diversification. Bafna Pharma enjoys established relationships with reputed pharma companies like Cipla, Strides Pharma Science, among others. Going forward, the company is banking on its expansion into new markets to improve margins. So, these were the top 5 penny stocks that fare well on various metrics including ROE, ROCE and debt to equity. However, there are several more players involved in this space that may not have very impressive numbers but may still get rewarded due to the strong growth prospects. Here are a few names that you could watch out. So that's it for today. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. We hope you have a profitable trading day. Happy investing.